all the three steps are clear. Recognize, receive, retain. Realize is a non-step. You see the clear path as you recite. And, with that understanding, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sometime you might have felt a deep experience as I recite the mantra. Now you are reciting and you are deepening your experience. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Continue. Like the internet connection drops you from this session the same way the mind with the prayers. Just understanding. I need not to complete such sentence. So we return again. Not a big deal. Is there any need to me to say Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti? No, you are already doing it. Bring your mind on the right hand. The mind still lives within. Bring your mind on the left hand. Yes, this is a transactional world. We will continue to live in this world. Outside, but inside, complete the sentence. Raise both your palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Bring the hands down. How are you, guys and girls? How are you, Sam?
Oh, good. Uh, I've noticed lately the meditation for me has taken a path of um, getting really, really, really deep, like all the way calming my mind down to finding peace, almost to the point of being, as deep as it gets in terms of a meditation. And then I find the second half of the meditation is slowly reviving my energy and bringing the light back.
Busyness
And it's
has gone.
peaceful in both ways. And the busyness is gone. Yeah. Now it's crush at first sight.
He told me a couple of times, I've been very busy. He sent an email. You see, from that perspective, if we reflect on where is the busyness in life? Very good. I appreciate it. How are you, David and Jerry?
Yeah, sort of similar to the first half of Sam's for me. I'm noticing the same thing too, just tremendously deep. That was again deeper than Saturdays, and Saturdays was deeper than Thursdays. They just keep getting deeper and deeper, and just like no thought.
Beautiful. That is the sign of the progress. That is what we want. How are you, Jerry?
Good. So the meditation was very fast, quiet, and the takeaway or the part that resonates with me, I guess, is the working on the mind instead of the mind working on me. And I find that there's a lot less of having to stop and work on the mind.
That's good. That's good. Or simply remember, log of wood you are holding, or complete this sentence. How are you, Lara?
I am good. It was very quiet, and it seemed to go really quickly. And because I haven't been here for a while, I had spent 3 days in silence last week, and I was using practices that we did like a year or so ago to
Good.
just keep myself centered and rooted. So I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay because I got to reuse and remember the practices to bring into to work with me now. So
Beautiful, beautiful. One of the reasons that we live or we do or we listen to the teacher, because the teacher makes your mind silent. You have not to go anywhere to have 3 days silence. If you are with me, you are always silent.
I have another teacher, so it was with that teacher.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. That's wonderful. Yeah, we should have as many teachers as possible, but keep your intellect open for clarity. How are you, Stephen?
I'm great. This was another very peaceful, deep meditation, similar to how David and Sam described it. For me, it's I this out to you when you said it that one time. The world is as it is, and I've acknowledged that, I've accepted that, and I'm living that every day. And this is just part of that.
Beautiful.
So
It's a beautiful.
thank you.
You see that when you live into that extraordinary awareness, I'm just throwing a statement. When you live into that extraordinary awareness, now see, in that state, for example, I look at Lara or Stephen or David and Jerry, the mind picks up a different thought pattern. So you live simultaneously with the world that is real and the world that is transactional. Transactional world. What is transactional world? I cannot stand in between the highways. Transactional reality. I have to stand across. So you live into that world simultaneously. That takes you deeper. How are you, Vaibhav? Good.
So I'm good. My practice was like that. The emotional dependencies that you're talking about. So if I can see that these are my mental slaveries, that
Good.
it's holding me to keep going on to that thing. And if I had a glimpse that I can live without even those things as well, then that is the actual freedom that I'm looking for. So that was very peaceful. When I see
That's
myself that it can go.
Can I say I will not speak openly, but what you told me before, those problems are gone?
Yes, now I can better handle those problems.
That's good. That's good. No, we are not talking about problem, but this is between you and me. How are you, Terry? Where is Ashok, my dear friend? Oh, you're here. How are you, Terry? How are you? Ashok, in the meantime, yes, Terry is going there. No problem. You are not the body, you are not the mind, you are.
Yes. I don't really know what to say
Don't say anything.
today.
But internally, you are okay.
Yeah,
That is more important.
I feel like the thing is fighting me, but I'm not fighting it.
Yes,
I'm
that is
doing something else. Or I'm not doing anything. I'm doing nothing else.
Remember, my friend, fighting is also the part of the self-created universe.
I don't know
Pleasure
where
seeking.
I wish I sort of wanted to know where it's coming from because I'm not doing it. So I'm not doing it and I'm thinking, where is this coming from? I'm not doing this.
Yes, you
You
are
know,
approaching near. You are approaching very near by making this state.
and I think that's why it's happening.
Inquiry, reflection, understanding. You see that you are the one who joined this session having this challenge. Other people cannot understand. Others having the same problem cannot understand. So that makes you a seeker. And the time will come, you will see that all these symptoms will have to go away. Let us go. How are you, Ashok? You know, it's a curtain raiser, Ashok. Who comes? Yes. How are you, sir? We see your teeth, we see your movement of the lips. We don't hear you. Let me also.
Sir,
Sir,
sir, namaste.
namaste, sir.
Meditation was peaceful and becoming seeker slowly and slowly. And during the
Good.
whole day, I contemplate and reflect whatever been taught. So it is going good.
Now I will also ask you a last question. You made lot of complaints. Now they are dropping down.
Of course, sir. Now I'm
Oh,
understanding. Now
you see,
understanding
the
is more
world
clear.
outside is the same. The world outside is the same.
Yes, yes.
Good. I
Problems are
love it.
same.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah,
so much.
yeah. Then what? Then what? Very good. I appreciate this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir. Namaste, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you.
Namaste.